Good job. We told her to leave too.
This is the moment we've been
I didn't tell her to leave.
It's time.
I said it's recommended to catch up. I didn't tell her to leave. I recommended for her to leave because that was her first time playing. But yeah, we was that mean? We just got off the plane and we are at. You wanna play it?
Yeah, I'll play for just.
So we have $1. We have $23 in there. We're gonna bet the $1.60. You
We're
ready?
gonna try it for a few spins to see if we get anything.
She likes to try it. Go.
I just love it when that happens.
Me too. This is the only lady we like to see. It's that one over there. See that?
And a jackpot. We got jackpot spin.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We've been waiting for. It's time to
Oh, I thought it was that one.
spin.
Okay. So we get a jackpot spin.
Yeah.
One of those up there. Let's see. Ready?
Ready?
It's time to spin the wheel.
You got too ready, too excited. Here we go. What do we get? What do we get?
Major. Let's see. Oh.
All right. That's good. Big cash out on run. I put in $23 and we got 50. Good job. No back door spins. We're gonna go get our luggage.
That was an excellent spin.
Thank
nice
you.
job.
Thank
Let's
you.
do it again.
No,
real
I'm good.
soon.
I'm good. Nissan Altima. Good?
Ew. Fingerprints.
Okay, let's go. Wow, look at this view. Ooh. Look at that pool. Good morning. Ow. Good morning.
And we got an 8 then? Oh, 7 out.
Look at that.
Cash out.
Can I play it?
Yes.
All right.
You sure you want to play this one?
Yes.
You don't want to go the different one?
Nope.
We didn't insure it.
I know.
6, 8, 6, 8,
Oh, that's a lot, love.
3,
Jesus.
10,
It's a nice roll.
6,
It's a nice roll.
That is a nice roll.
8,
It's a very nice roll.
Yeah.
6,
Yeah.
12,
I wouldn't.
11.
I wouldn't make a sketch. I wouldn't.
Can I do it again?
Do it again.
Born from fire, sparks flying from the sun.
2, winner.
Ooh.
Know you, can I confess? I feel
What's the point?
your heart
11.
beating in my
Lost
chest.
it.
You come with me,
7 out.
I'm just gonna be the one.
It's not going my way.
3. Winner.
Cause you faith, no fear for the fight.
I want to get to 120. May I?
Yeah.
There's a mirror meant to be you in my mind. Could be mad, but you might just be right.
Winner.
We are
ARTE
the people in the way and form. Out of the ruins of hate and war. Army of lovers never seen before.
5. Winner.
We are the people
That was
in
the
way
point.
and
Oh,
form.
not
That's the point.
This
We
is the
are
point.
the people of the open hand. The streets are dark until light
8.
begins.
Winner.
Point.
We'll build it better than we did
Nice.
before.
Good, I'm glad I'm getting to 120. I'm good. Hey, how you doing there? Thank you very much. Where are you at? Fontainebleau. And we're at this big buffalo game. And she's gonna play whatever credits we have left. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. I hear that eagle all the time in my dreams.
What does it mean?
Press play to begin. Here we go.
Excited.
Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, I hope this doesn't run out of batteries because I got 7% left on this thing. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo!
Purple one was
Okay, I'm gonna record on my phone too, just in case this thing runs out of batteries.
amazing. You want me to record?
No, go ahead, you play it because I got 6% on the GoPro and I got my Insta 360 here too. Look at this. Woo, yeah. Fantastic.
We got our money back.
All right, we like that. Too bad we can't get our money back from the bubble crap. 2 more or 3 more? 2 more. 3 more. Re-trigger, re-trigger. How much did you win? Oh my goodness gracious, 21. Good game. We are at Bubble Craps and she has $200 in there and she needs...
Do you have like $5 or something? No.
Here.
No, $5.
No, just put that in there. She's got the lucky shooter. The lucky shooter for how much? $3? Oh my goodness. Okay.
I would like an 8.
Okay.
I would like an 8.
Ready?
8.
8. If you get an 8, you get how much?
I would like an 8.
1,000 to 1?
3,000.
3,000 to 1.
I would
If you
like
get
an 8.
You get an 8. You need an 8.
8.
Let's go. 8. Oh, shit. You won the hand pay, right? Here's the hand pay.
Good job.
This is called Outside the Casino Walking Tour. Outside the casino, if you guys want to walk with us. We're going to the ARTE Museum. Get ready to have your mind blown.
Water.
So this place is actually rooms of mirrors and projection, speakers and scents. They are making a lot of money here. A lot. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, but yes, it's art. It's like visual art, electronic art, and they can change it up all the time.
Yeah.
They're making some good money here.
Yep. Oh, wow.
Gone. Yes, thank you. Maybe that's why she wants us to sit here.
Does it go here?
It follows your drink.
Follows your dream.
Go home? Do we have fun?
Yeah.
You see, we are at Wheel of Fortune and she's trying this machine at 80 cents as well.
But then it already paid.
It already paid just the free game. The lady won $23 and she's walking away. Here we go.
Maybe not.
Good job. We told her to leave too.
This is the moment we've been
I didn't tell her to leave.
It's time
I said
to
it's
give the
recommended
wheel a
to catch
spin.
up. Okay, let's see what we get here. That was 80 cents. Here we go.
If it gives me $2, then
I'm ready if you are.
Because then it's my money back, right?
And it is a minor, $25. Congratulations. Are we cashing out? I would hit cash out and run.
3 backups.
Okay, let's go. 3 backup spins. 1, 2, 3. One more. Because we want to get it to 40 and then cash out the 40. Alright, cool. Good deal. Hit cash out and run. Put in 10, get $40.
Thank you for calling.
I didn't tell her to leave. I recommended for her to leave because that was her first time playing. But yeah, we was that mean? No, it's not mean.